Hello, this is your attorney, Jiwon Lee. What would you do if you discovered that someone you met through a dating app and had a sexual relationship with was actually married? In South Korea, a case involving an Indonesian woman referred to as A has drawn significant attention. She revealed the shocking story of how she became pregnant by a Korean man only to find out later that he was married. The story goes like this. A met the Korean man B through a dating app. B, who was 34 years old at the time, was 10 years older than A and had been sent to Indonesia as part of an overseas assignment from his company. On the app, B indicated that he was looking for a girlfriend and he and A began dating. Less than a year into the relationship, A became pregnant with B's child. When she was 4 weeks pregnant, A shared the happy news with B, but his attitude suddenly changed. B told her that he had no intention of raising the child and urged A to have an abortion. It was only then that A discovered B was actually married and had a family back in Korea. B repeatedly pressured A to terminate the pregnancy, saying, "I can't marry you because I have a wife and child, so you need to get rid of the baby." He even resorted to physical violence, slapping A and hitting her in the stomach. This led to A suffering a miscarriage. Afterward, B cut off all contact with her. Shockingly, B began dating another Indonesian woman, which A found out about. Crazy. When she confronted him, she was nearly assaulted again. A shared her story, hoping that others will not fall victim to similar situations. Unfortunately, no, it is not considered fraud. A common misconception is that criminal fraud requires both deceitful conduct and financial loss. If someone lies about being married and starts a relationship, they are indeed being deceptive. However, for it to be considered fraud, there must be a financial loss, such as giving expensive gifts or lending money. Simply lying about being married is not enough to warrant criminal charges. However, if the person used their deception to gain financial benefits, then it could be considered fraud. The problem is, courts do not view sexual relationships between partners as an economic transaction, but rather as an expression of intimacy. Therefore, a married person who hides their marital status and has a relationship or sexual relations with another person will not be punished for fraud. For instance, a lawyer from a large law firm who was previously mentioned in my video for dating dozens of women simultaneously faced no legal consequences because his actions did not constitute fraud. No, informing only the wife is not considered defamation. In South Korea, even if someone has done something worthy of criticism, publicly revealing this can constitute defamation. South Korea has laws that allow for punishment even if the information is true but damages someone's reputation. This law is highly criticized within Korean society too. People argue that it is excessive to uniformly punish someone for spreading the truth, especially when there may be a need to inform others about a clear wrongdoing. However, telling the man's family about his infidelity could potentially harm his reputation. The key factor here is the potential for the information to spread. Since the man's family is close to him, it is unlikely that they would spread the information further. Therefore, there is no potential for widespread dissemination, meaning defamation charges would not apply. This is your attorney, Jiwon Lee. Thanks for watching.